Hello friends, welcome to PriyankkaDadwal's YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great just like me. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about a product that I have recently received from the brand Bioderma. Hey, I completely forgot to tell you that if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you get the latest updates on all my upcoming videos. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and do share this video amongst your family and friends so that it reaches the maximum number of people and help me grow my channel. So without wasting any time further, let's get started. So the product that I have got from Bioderma India had come into this packaging. And let's see what does the product look like. So this is the product. It's a sensibiodefensiverich cream from the brand Bioderma India. If you have not yet watched the unboxing video of this particular product, I'm gonna share the link over here. Do watch it and get all the details about the product. So guys, as the name says, it is a defensive rich cream, which means it is an active soothing cream. It helps and strengthens the skin's self-defense power against aggressions. This particular cream is specifically for sensitive and sensitized skin, and the net content of this product is around 40 ml. So this is how the cream looks like. So guys, you can apply this twice a day, in the morning and in the night, but only after cleansing your face properly. And you can also apply this cream before applying any makeup, like a makeup base. So it will not aggravate any sensitivity due to any makeup products that you are gonna apply during the makeup. So let's see the texture of the cream. So this is completely a packaged product. As you can see, I'll have to open the lid cover. Let's see the texture. So it has a very creamy, smooth texture and a non-greasy formula, as you can see. Let it get absorbed into the skin. See? Now let's apply it on the skin. It has a very mild smell, or I would say no smell at all. So you can see the glow on my skin, especially the T-zone area. It's looking fabulous, and the shine, the glow that you can see, it's completely natural. I have not applied any makeup, any base other than the eye makeup or the lipstick, and you can still find the difference on my skin. So I'm definitely gonna use this as a makeup base also, and I'll also use it daily, at least for a month, to see how does this affect my skin and help me reduce the sensitivity of my skin issue. If you're also having a sensitive skin, you can definitely go for this product. It's a sensibiodefensiverich cream from the brand Bioderma, and it's a go from my side. Do try it out and let me know in the comment section below how did you find it on your skin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button and do share this video amongst your family and friends. This is me, Priyanka Dadwal, saying ciao for now. Bye-bye.